In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Monday.com. Notifications can be a valuable tool for staying on top of updates and changes. However, there are times when they might become overwhelming or distracting, especially if you're part of a very active team or you're tracking multiple projects at once. If you're finding yourself bombarded by too many alerts and you need a bit of quiet to focus on your work, adjusting your notification settings on Monday.com can be a great way to find some peace. Let's dive in and see how you can gain more control over what notifications you receive. First, you'll need to navigate to Monday.com and log into your account. This is your starting point. Once you're logged in, locate the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. This small, seemingly insignificant button is your gateway to customizing your user experience on Monday.com, including adjusting your notification preferences. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you want to select My Profile. This option will take you to your personal profile page on Monday.com. It's a space dedicated to settings and information related to your specific user account. Upon accessing your profile page, you'll notice several options listed. Look for the one labeled Notifications. This section is designed specifically to allow you to customize how and when you want to be alerted about activities within your Monday.com environment. The design of the platform is pretty intuitive, but it's always good to pay attention as you navigate through these settings to ensure you don't miss anything important. Once you click on the Notifications option, you'll be taken to a new page that lists all the various notifications Monday.com can send you. The platform offers a robust set of notification controls, allowing you to receive updates about everything from project progress to updates from your team. However, not every notification is essential for every user, and this is where you can tailor your experience. As you scroll down through the list of notifications, take a moment to consider which ones are truly beneficial for your workflow. You might find that some alerts, while well-intentioned, are not particularly useful to you. When you identify a notification you wish to turn off, simply look for the toggle button next to it. Clicking this button will switch the notification off. The user interface is designed to make this process as straightforward as possible, but be sure to take your time to ensure you're only disabling the notifications you genuinely do not need. Remember, the goal here is to streamline your notifications to suit your specific needs. It's not about turning off all communications, but rather ensuring that the alerts you do receive are meaningful and relevant to your work. By customizing your notification settings, you're taking a proactive step towards managing your digital environment, contributing to a more focused and less disruptive workday. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the settings to turn off notifications on Monday.com that you find distracting or unnecessary. The beauty of Monday.com is its flexibility. Nothing is set in stone. You can always come back and adjust your notification preferences as your projects evolve or as you find new ways of working. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you and your team. Remember, effective communication is the key to successful team collaboration, and sometimes less really is more. By fine-tuning your notification settings, you're ensuring that the communications you do receive are the ones that truly matter. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in helping you find a bit more peace and productivity in your workday. Don't forget, if you ever need to revisit your notification settings, just follow the steps we covered today and you'll be able to make any adjustments you need. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Stay organized and focused, and see you in the next video.